Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add webcam to Streamlabs. It is very easy. We just need to click on this plus icon just next to sources, and here we need to select this video capture because this is for built-in webcam, Logitech webcam capture cards. So that's why we have selected this. Once you select it, just click on add source, and here if you want to name your webcam you can do that. I'll just simply type webcam here. Then here we need to click on add source, and here in the device we need to choose our webcam. This is one in my case. I'll just select it. Then here we just need to click on close, and yeah, here you can see we have added the webcam. Now go to corner of the webcam, and once you get this double-sided arrow, just hold your left click and drag it up or down in order to make your webcam smaller, bigger, and also you can just place it anywhere you like. And if you want to crop the webcam, for that just go to points, hold alt key and just drag your cursor right left in order to crop the webcam. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can add webcam to Streamlabs. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.